brake pedal over. He was real close to the accelerator. So I made him that work. I only have to get my wire wheels. I don't want to talk about it. I want to put more time in the Thunderbird wires. I went over to that.
S10 pickup chassis. The frame and the suspension and everything is. And then the cab is a early Ford cab.
What year this car?
37.
37?
Yeah, and then all the front is all handmade metal.
Handmade.
He
Yeah.
made it. He does it.
Hey, does it?
There it is. There's the proof.
There's the pictures right there.
There's see all the pictures.
Wow,
That's what I
you are
started with.
great. So you are manufacturer.
No, I'm just a crazy old mechanic.
Oh, so many cars. Let me take photo for this. This is the first one?
Well, that's what I started with. I bought this cab.
Oh, you
and
bought
then,
this
and
one?
then I bought this. And then I put them together.
Oh, you put these two together?
Well, I put this cab on here. Took this cab off.
Oh,
put this
okay,
one on
okay.
here.
This is the head.
Yeah.
This is the body.
Yeah, and then see, this is the bottom part of this.
Oh, bottom part. Oh,
And then I put this on there.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then I change the front.
Oh, you change the front. Oh, wow, really good. Wow. So you do this? You have your own factory to make it?
Got two hands.
Just about 2 hands.
Yeah.
Ah, unbelievable. Oh, 2 hands. So you have a lot of interesting stories.
We call him the Japanese MacGyver. He can do anything. And he's a nice guy.
Nice guy.
Very nice guy.
If you're 30 or 40 years younger, you will make
Well,
big
I've done
manufacture.
a lot of them. Yeah, so
Oh.
in fact, I think I make a calendar of all my vehicles.
Oh, you have a calendar? Oh, that's good. The picture here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy.
He made a dump truck out of one too, like a dump truck.
Oh, dump truck. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
that's
wow.
one of these. No, Eddie's good. And he's got Model A's, cars, all stuff.
So,
Nice guy.
you know, maybe 50 or 60 years ago, the people is not like you high, you tall, me like this
Yeah.
tall, the short.
Yeah.
So the truck, the car is not big enough.
Yeah, there, look.
Wow. Oh my gosh. You are so smart.
No,
He's smart.
This,
He's very smart.
but
Oh, okay. Oh,
these are all
this
the,
is a calendar, huh?
yeah.
Can
yeah.
I have it?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Oh, thank you.
I've
Oh, this is my pleasure. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's
It's way
good.
back
Oh,
in 1988 I sold that,
oh, you sold it?
but I
Wow.
built it 3 years earlier. These are all the-
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, you're expert.
This is the last one I built.
Oh,
you still
last
got
time
that
you
one,
built
huh?
this one?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, you're really expert.
This is the
for
first one I-
classic car.
I just got thinking.
Yeah.
Here's
See, there's another one.
This is
Model A
another
Roadster.
one. Oh, this look like very. Oh, this is over 100 years ago.
Yeah, yeah,
Look like that style, right?
yeah.
but it's all
Yeah.
been
Here's
modified.
my one Lincoln.
Oh, you're
Oh,
linking?
yeah.
Oh, wow, you're linking.
I got two of those.
Oh,
One's a
two of them.
That's a hard top, a convertible. Then my other one's a regular car.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, Frank had that one, huh?
Yeah, I sold this one to Frank. Where is Frank today?
He had to go to Desolate, I think, or something to get something. But
Yeah.
Wow.
in Arnold, you know Arnold.
Arnold.
Oh, you got that blue Mercury?
Oh, yeah.
He called me this morning on the phone. He's selling it to a guy in Ridgecrest. And the guy wants to drive it. And
okay.
Arnold said, it's too far. I said, nah, you don't. He's an older guy up there in not Ridgecrest, Lake Isabella.
Isabella. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's
So he's going to come down and get it today, I guess.
Yeah.
See, here's a real...
Yeah, that's...
See the mini...
Oh, this is the biggest one.
Well, this is a regular...
That's a real...
A regular size.
Yeah.
You are little.
Yeah,
This a mini.
Mini pin, yeah.
We Asian people, we Japanese like the little one.
Oh, these are super...
Oh, give me your thank you so much. I love it so much. I put on my desk.
Okay.
I check every day. That's good.
I got another.
Oh, he makes nice stuff.
Yeah, he make nice stuff.
He knows how to do stuff.
Yeah, this is his own story, his history. Yeah,
This
to
is the
making
same
the
thing,
cars.
but just
Okay.
Shorter version of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let me. Okay. Oh, that's good.
Take 2 years to build it.
This is a 2006.
Yeah, January of 05 to December
To
of
December
06.
06. Oh. That's. I think that's a dog. Is this a dog?
Yeah, this is the same one. See, that's...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then the same chassis. And then
Wow.
put it on. And
Oh. Very good, you know. Are you engineer before?
no, I'm a mechanic.
Good
Frustrated
He
mechanic.
can do anything. Don't let him.
Yeah, mechanic, you know.
He knows how to...
Wow, that's, very handy, very, very
Very
handy. Your hands is money.
Yeah. Mine are broke.
You also, same.
Yeah, mine's broke.
Oh, yeah.
No.
My
I
gosh.
just love to do stuff like that. I've been
Yeah.
doing it all my life.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It started when I was...
Because you have your favorite things you make every day, you live longer. Because it makes you feel satisfy yourself.
Yeah.
You have a very good feeling.
Yeah.
That's why. Yeah. You look like 70?
82 this year.
I'm
Not
83.
look like.
I'm 83. I'll be 84 in December.
You're 83?
Yeah.
You look young.
I don't feel young.
Because you do, you make the new cars and sell the old one, make another new one, make a lot
See,
of
these
sense.
things, these are trash cans.
Yeah, before just now I check it. I think this
Yeah.
is for home. It's not look like. So I'm thinking, what it is? You trash can. You put your smoking.
On the real trucks, that's a breather.
Yeah.
that-
It's so funny.
That makes it look real, you know.
Yeah. Trash put there. It's so beautiful. So I was thinking just now. I was thinking this is
That's a
you know, just look like very 40 or 50 years ago. When you cook at the house, smoke from here.
Yeah.
So right now, it doesn't matter, huh? Your gas.
Use what you got.
Yes,
what it is.
yes. So you both want to drink coffee?
Yeah, we drink coffee now and then. It's bad for you.
Oh, okay.
I was a truck driver. I drank a lot of coffee.
Oh, a lot of coffee. That
drink.
make you young.
I don't
Your
know.
heart very strong.
Yesterday, I fell real hard. I was getting ready. I walked in and I tripped over my porch and I landed. My neighbor heard me screaming.
Oh.
So she come over and my legs went rubbery, and I checked my blood pressure was 79.
79.
And then about 20 minutes, so I got Marie and we went to Ruby's last night, and I checked my blood this morning, was 130, 131 over
130.
65, I think. So
Oh.
it's okay, but I don't know what happened. I just went down hard. I go, damn.
Oh,
And my neighbor
be
heard
careful.
me yelling. She was across the street, I hit her window. She come over and I said to her, she helped me, and I checked my blood pressure and everything.
65 a little bit lower.
Huh?
65 a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Maybe, it's
supposed
your
to be
pressure problem.
120 over 80, and mine was 130 over 130. Yeah,
130 is,
over
130 is
75.
okay.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know. I'm
Be
here till
careful.
I'm gone.
No. Be careful. Maybe the weather is so hot.
Yeah,
Yeah, weather so hot.
I
Yeah.
know it. But this morning it's nice and cool.
Yes. Yes.
A little
Yes.
humid, but it's gonna be, I think, later. Oh, this is neat. These are pretty.
Yes,
You-
very
what you see is
pretty.
dump trucks.
Yeah, very pretty. So how about the Hong? The music Hong? Your Hong? The car, the truck, the Hong?
I'm sorry.
Smog?
No, the Hong.
Oh, the horn?
Hong?
Oh, horn, yeah.
Yeah, up there.
I don't have the air pressure up right now.
Yeah, just now you drive from there to here. I think it's a police car. Look like, see?
With all the
Then I
lights.
check, oh, it has a truck there, so it's not. It's
Yeah.
so funny. Wow, so.
It's a mini Pete.
Yeah, many people.
Then it's
Oh, okay. It is the brand.
Yes.
Yeah. Peterbilt.
Tell everybody, there's not one Peterbilt part on this thing.
Except that.
No, that's a Ford emblem.
Oh, and you put the Peterbilt deal on it?
Yeah, put a Peterbilt decal on it.
Oh my gosh.
How much will be?
Same with the front. You know,
Oh
the
yeah.
red one is too big.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. If you want to sell it, how much will be?
Whatever the market will bear.
There you
Oh.
go.
Right now,
As long as
just
it's not a grizzly bear.
yeah.
And you think this is a nice guy? His wife is nice. Very nice lady.
Yeah. I know.
Nice people.
You know that the Japanese, the ladies,
Oh,
pretty and very nice.
I met her
very
in June.
honest.
Me to do stuff like this.
Yes.
Most
yes.
of them say, don't do it. You know,
Yeah.
But she said,
Yeah, you love it. You do it.
Yeah, I met her in
Yes, you-
June, and her name was June. When
Uh-huh.
I seen her that time,
But she
remember?
was born in April.
Oh,
I really should have called her April.
there you go.
Ah, that's so
What do
good.
I know?
Okay.
Like mine, remember mine? Remember mine? It's exactly like mine. Identical. Exactly like mine. You seen mine, right? The red one? I had one. I had a regular size. Oh yeah.
Another day.